Have you noticed severe wear on your suitcase wheels? Our Luggage Wheel Protection cover is the perfect solution to protect your wheels and reduce noise when pulling your suitcase. Made from high-quality silicone with a wave pattern design, it shields against scratches, cuts, and damage, keeping your suitcase in top condition. Plus, it significantly reduces noise, making your travels much more pleasant. Easy to use and with a flexible fit, it's ideal for double-wheeled suitcases. Choose an accessory that not only protects but also showcases your personality, helping you spot your suitcase effortlessly. Get yours now and travel with more ease and style.